Internet.
Hi there, camera.
Hello.
Welcome to Bumbling Tourist. So this video will be us summing up our experiences in Malaysia.
Bit of a rap party. Not the kind you were thinking about.
Every party with jives is a rap party.
Reminisce.
So your final beer.
Yeah.
Boop.
The last moments in Malaysia. So Beth, what were you just saying about when we first asked you sort of thing?
You guys were asking just kind of spontaneously, hey, you want to come on a crazy vacation? And oh, I don't know, that sounds like, somebody else's life. And I'm thinking about it like, no, jump on that. Because I would never ever do that. It is such a change of scenery in Canada that it is not like any place I've been before.
So what was the highlight for you?
I don't know. What I've got stuck in my head is the amazingly loud Indian music from when we were shopping in Penang. All these beautiful colors and just the loud noise and the call to prayer. It just a really
Slap in the face with culture, yeah.
Is that because you can still hear it ringing in your ears?
scene was just that's got to be the pinnacle, really. That was just the most amazing part. With the gardens, that takes so much care and work.
Lock Sea, I think, was the highlight of the trip for me. Just so much in one location. The Disney World of Temples, which I don't mean in an insulting way.
I feel like the Disney World of Temples was that cave we went to at the Batu Caves.
We had a segment in a video where we talked about durian. This is the first time you've ever tried durian. There were multiple times where the smell of durian hit my nostrils, and I had never smelled durian before, and I legitimately mistook it for human feces.
What if our lips taste like this forever?
Oh my god, did somebody knock over an outhouse? Like, something is just assaulting my nose. This is the worst smell. This is like human excrement. This is the worst, absolute worst smell ever. And I don't think I really hit that in the other video, but man, durian is intensely bad smelling.
Unless you're me, and you think it smells like pineapple.
I had an in-between experience where sometimes it hit my nostrils like an outhouse, and sometimes I'm like, it's sweet sewage pineapple.
It tastes good. So what's the science there? You were saying
the chemical in poop, in I believe giraffe sweat as well, and in durian as well, kind of gives it sort of a poopy sort of smell. And that they have that chemical in common.
What's that intense giraffe sweat smell? Somebody eating durian?
Just don't eat the seeds.
It's a giant seed, and then it's just like a little bit of food around a giant seed.
I wasn't sure if I ate that or not, and I chewed through it. That's fine.
Wait and see.
I am alive though, so.
There is that. You were wondering if I was going to get jellyfish powers. So I was wondering if maybe you were going to get durian powers because you consumed the seed.
Have you smelled me?
Speaking of jellyfish powers.
Yeah. No jellyfish powers. Nothing lasting whatsoever from a jellyfish sting that I received. You can still see the mark, but it's not that bad. It's just like a little pink now. Within a day, it was all just a sore spot. And well, it was healing. I didn't know it would do this either. It got really dark red and itchy. I was swimming alone on a beach that had jellyfish washed up on the shore. You see jellyfish washed up on the shore, assume that maybe there's some more friends in the sea still. There was just fire all of a sudden. I just jumped up, started walking into shore, swore a lot. But one of the things that you can do for a jellyfish sting is
salt water, right?
Rinse it in seawater, yeah. So had I just shoved it right back in the water, that probably would have been better.
Keep swimming. Good to know that it won't kill you. There probably are jellyfish out there that could. But the ones at this beach were safe, so if you get stung, you're not going to die.
Maybe don't put your face in the water. Speaking of junk on the beach, yeah.
Yeah, we were surprised to see that Monkey Beach was quite covered in garbage.
Can I successfully take a video that doesn't have any garbage in it? If I dip down here and dip over here and only get your feet and then go back up.
It was a beautiful beach, but there was clearly a litter problem. And upon seeing it, my immediate thoughts were, how could tourists do this? How could people come to this beautiful beach and just leave garbage everywhere? We had brought some snacks and drinks and things in a plastic bag, and we took it with us when we left. And when I advised that everyone else do that, we saw a monkey come up, the namesake of the beach, Monkey Beach, knock over a garbage can, and the monkey was like going through the garbage and bringing garbage up into the trees to feast on his delicious monkey garbage.
Take out with you what you bring in.
Yeah,
Nice.
because if you put it in the garbage cans at the beach, then the monkeys will disperse it across the beach.
Only bus that went to Monkey Beach 2 was 101, all the way to the end. And even if it takes weird turns and stuff, and you don't know where you're going, take it all the way to the end, and I'm sure the bus driver will scream.
And the bus driver starts
Then we got
yelling
out.
and everyone's leaving. We leave too, yeah.
Said a number of times my favorite part of the trip was Kek Lok Si Temple, but if I was to pick a number 2, and it's a close number 2, it would be the breaks where we just enjoy a beer on some little plastic stools by the street.
As we have described before, our favorite part about Asia is sitting on a plastic stool drinking beer in the road.
Nothing
I mean,
like
not
it.
like in the road, but like basically in the road, where the exhaust fumes mix with the taste of your beer and somehow make it magical. Perhaps I should stop this so we can eat. How's that sound? I hope you brought your toothbrush or some gum.